Hello everyone, I make crispy tasty squid rings. You see in the picture, they are so beautiful. I spend them out to make impression and they taste fabulous. When you eat one, you cannot stop eating. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. Here I share with you everything I know, so please share my video and subscribe. Thank you. I have 200 grams of squid rings and half a teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I marinate them now. The reason I don't use any salt, fish sauce or anything, because the squid rings already salty. And this is my dredging station. 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of whipping cream. And I have 3/4 cups of on-purpose flour. And I season it with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper to make the flour a little seasoned. Now I have 3/4 cups of panko breadcrumb, and to it I add half a teaspoon of turmeric to make it a color. When you're done, the color will be golden brown, a little orangey. Now your dredging station is complete. Start dredge them. So I use my chopsticks so that my hands is dry and nice, and I drop the rings in the flour and I use the fork to cover them. After that I can use my hands. My fingers are clean and dry now, so the rings are already coated with the flour, so they are pretty clean. You can see I even don't touch my hand with it. I bring the rings to the eggs mixture, and now I put it in panko breadcrumb. My hands are dry and clean. You can take the panko breadcrumb and cover the rings. You see, nice and coated. And continue doing this until you're done. Now I have a pot of oil. You can see it's forming a lot because I'm started frying already. But you started new, your oil will be clean. Now, for the temperature, you don't put it too hot or too cold, because if too hot, the rings get burned, and when too cold, the ring don't get crispy. So that's it. You fry until golden brown. Taste it as you go. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.